Hey everybody, just wanted to make a real quick video on preparing ceiling tiles for 4-row boxes when you have to support your cameras. So things that you're going to need: got a 4-row deep with this Caddy grid hanger. I got a 4-inch hole saw on a drill. I usually use a longer drill bit, but this is what I got today. Got a Romex connector, tape measure, and of course we're going to need pencil. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the center of the ceiling tile. Myself, what I like to do is make sure I go with the edge of the tape measure corner to corner, and then corner to corner, make a mark in the middle. That's going to give me center. So after I use my tape measure, the edge of my tape measure to do that, I found center. So now I'm going to take the hole saw, I'm going to drill a hole. What I like to do is after I start the hole saw, I very slowly kind of just move this thing up and down as I'm drilling, and this makes it easier to pop out whatever material is stuck inside of there. Yeah, it works really well on drywall. It's nice when you have a vacuum close by. Makes cleanup real easy. Just minimize your mess. What I like to do is work over a box or a trash can. And this is a nice clean hole. And I have this is not a deep, but using this hole saw as opposed to some type of drywall saw or a razor blade makes it a lot easier, a lot faster, and this is a real tight, clean fit. This is what the ceiling tile looks like when it's in place. It does a very good job of supporting the camera, and even though these things don't weigh a lot, some places do require this support. If you ever run into an issue where you're trying to remove this thing, what I found out to be very helpful is I just take my snips, put it in here, and then I give it a little turn like this. I just turn it, and that helps removing it from the grid if you need to do that. Down on the bottom, this is what it looks like before we put the camera in. So this is what the camera looks like after the install is complete. Now with this Romex connector, I don't crank down on that guy too much, just enough to snug it up. And then the last thing I do when the camera's ready to go into production